So good morning to everyone. So in this class, we are going to see about the multiprocessors and distributed embedded architectures. So what is meant by multiprocessors? So a multiprocessor is in general any computer system with two or more processors coupled together. Multiprocessor used for a scientific or business application tend to have a regular architectures. So several identical processors that can access a uniform memory space. So we can use the term processing element to mean any unit responsible for computation, whether it is programmable or not. So what is meant by the distributed embedded architectures? So already we have seen this diagram. All the process element and the sensors and the processors will be connected to through this same network. It's called a distributed embedded architectures. Then what is meant by audio player? So these are all the real-time examples about embedded systems. So in the next class, in the following slides, we are going to see about the various real-time embedded system products like audio player, video accelerators, and engine control units. So in the first topic, we are going to see about audio players. So in this audio player, an MP3 player performs three basic functions. The first one is audio storage, the second one is audio decompression, the third one is user interface. So although audio compression is computationally extensive, audio decompression is relatively lightweight. So the incoming bit stream has been encoded using a Huffman style coding which must be encoded. So the audio data itself is applied to a reconstruction filter along with a few other parameters. So MP3 decoding can, for example, be executed using only 10% of ARM7 CPU. So these are all the block diagram of audio player. So in this block diagram, we are having the RISC processors, CED, interface, IO devices, and the DSP digital signal processors, memory controller, flash, DRAM, and SRAM. So audio interfaces, SRAM, ROM. So in this, an audio controller designed for CD and MP3 players. The audio controller includes two para processors. The 32-bit RISC processor is used to perform system control and audio decoding. The 16-bit DSP is used to perform the audio effects such as equalization. The memory controller can be interfaced to several different types of memory. Flash memory can be used for data and for code. The DRAM can be used as a buffer to handle the temporary distributions of the CD data streams. The audio interfaces units out the audio in formats that can be used for the AD converters. So generally, general purpose IO pins can be used to decode the buttons run on the displays, etc. So Cyrus provides the reference design for a CD and MP3 players. So here the difference, the block diagram of CPU and the accelerator. So the CPU will have a memory and CPU bus will have a memory and CPU, and the accelerator will have the data registers and control registers and the accelerator registers. So that's we are having the audio player design. So in the next class we are going to see about the same video accelerator and the video accelerator and the engine control unit. So thank you.